Hello everyone, my name is Astha Jain. I read in class 10th. I have taken dance as my summer camp activity and I attended these classes each day and I love these classes. In these classes, I have learned many new steps which improved my body language. We learned dance on a song named Jai Jai Shiv Shankar. In this song, there were many hard steps, but I was able to do those steps just because of the guidance of our teacher Rahul sir. He helped us a lot in doing each and every step nicely, and because of his guidance, I did every step nicely and correctly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Krisha Jain. I have taken personality development and I love these classes because it helped me in forming new sentences and I learned new words. I also learned to speak English. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Tanishka Munda. I have taken music class. I like the class because I learned Alankar and Achyutam Keshivam prayer. I am thankful to Somila International School for summer camp classes. And thank you Deepak sir.
My name is Tusharika Gupta. I have taken personality development classes. I learned to speak English. I learned how to use simple present tense. I learned how to stand on the stage. I felt confident in the class. The class environment is very friendly.
Good evening everyone, my name is Bhaviraj. Today I am going to tell you about my PD classes held in Somila International School. It was very good for me and my brother. We learned many things like we make sentences and words, meanings and all others. So this is very good experience. I first of all thanks Pooja ma'am to give time for us and our learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Eklavya Soda and today I am going to tell you about personal development class which is going on while the summer camp in Somila school. So this PD class was really good. It was really interesting and we learned many things. I improved my mistake and a big thank you to Pooja ma'am. She taught us many things and it was a lovely class. And my personal thought is that at this time we should have some personal developments. So I have done before also some personal development classes, but that was not that interested that this was. So my personal favorite things were opposite words and the debate which is going on now. So a big thank you to Pooja ma'am and have a nice day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Urvashi Pamar from Standard 11th and I am from school, BS Memorial School, Abu Road, District Siroi. I have joined this summer camp. I have joined the cooking classes and it was really a great experience. I have tried and learned so many new dishes and thanks to Mitali ma'am for being such a great teacher and it was my pleasure to have such a guide who has treated us so well, and I'm so glad with her performances and the best part was that she never got irritated because of our continuous questioning and because of our disturbance. There were many new and different kind of dishes, and the dish which I liked the most was the spring rolls. The spring rolls were full of taste and they were healthy too. And a very big thank you to summer camp who have given the opportunity to lots of the students to inculcate good qualities and to improve their skills in this pandemic. And I will eagerly wait for the next summer camp. Thank you.
My name is Dishti Pariyar and I am from class 6 and I am doing PD class like personality development class from since 15 days, and this is a very good class. We know more about the learning and the reading and writing, and we do conversation, pronunciation improve, and may you join this class.
My name is Pehal Sir. I have attended personality development classes. I am thankful to Somila International School for arranging such type of high quality classes and best teachers. I like the classes because it improves my English speaking. Thank you so much.
My name is Tanishka Mura, class 9. I have taken personality development class. I like PD class because also the personality development course encourage my focus, and I have got a major confidence boost after learning it.